Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do retraction calibration in Prusa Slicer. Unfortunately, when it comes to Prusa, there isn't the calibration options like on other slicers like Elegoo right here, Bamboo Studios, or something like Orca Slicer. So normally you have to get a downloadable STL file for this, but what I generally do in order to modify my retraction test is to actually head over to similar slicers like Elegoo or Orca, and from here, since they have built-in calibration options, we just have to click on calibration, select retraction test, and you can modify this to whatever you want to. Let's go ahead and start with 0 and 2, and for step 0.1 click on OK, and basically what you can do with this is to right click on it, click on export as one STL, and of course you could just save it wherever you want to. Let's head back over to our Prusa Slicer, and of course from now you can see where we're going. We just have to import that specific retraction model. And so from here you could just slice the plate itself, send it over to your printer, and see if you go ahead and print it successfully, and to do this with the calibration option. So if you see some stringing, let's head back over to something like Orca Slicer, and of course from here you just want to do the same thing, which is to click on the retraction test. From here, modify your test the way you want to, click on OK, and then just do it all over again. That's how simple it is. You could get these applications from web pages. Basically, it's all free to use, so download something like Orca Slicer or the Elegoo Slicer in order to do this. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.